In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the notorious Wix error 404, which results in the dreaded page not found message. This issue can be quite a hassle if you're managing a website, as it not only disrupts the user experience but can also impact your site's SEO. But don't worry, we'll walk through a solution to get your pages back on track. To begin, open up your browser and head over to wix.com. You'll need to sign into your Wix account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to your website's dashboard. This is your main control hub where you'll manage settings and other aspects of your site. Next, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App, and give it a click. This will bring up a range of tools and settings related to the mobile version and desktop version of your site. From there, find and click on the SEO and GEO option. This typically involves dealing with how your pages appear on search engines and geographical settings. After clicking SEO and GEO, you're going to spot an option that says, Go to URL Redirect Manager. This is crucial for our next step. Redirect Manager is a powerful tool within Wix that allows you to manage and maintain URL paths. Once there, you're going to find checkboxes next to the URLs. What you want to do is identify and check the box for the old URL that is giving you the 404 error. Next, we proceed to create a new redirect, which will resolve the issue. Click on the Create New Redirect button. This feature allows you to redirect the old URL to a new, functional one. Now, it's time to choose a page from your site to redirect the traffic that was landing on the non-existent page. This step is probably one of the most crucial because it tells the system exactly where you want your visitors to go. Once you've selected a new, correct URL from your site to redirect to, find and confirm your choice by clicking on that option. You then go back to Go to New URL to make sure that all is set properly. Once again, ensure that the right destination page is selected. Finally, after double-checking that everything is correctly configured, locate the Save button and click it. Saving your changes commits the redirect into action, ensuring that when someone tries to visit the old URL, they're gracefully guided to the new page without hitting a 404 error. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you've successfully set up a redirect, eliminating that pesky 404 error. Make sure to test the changes by visiting the old URL and confirming that it redirects properly. This will not only improve your visitor experience, but will also maintain your site's credibility and SEO health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.